Hello, my dear class 5 students. Today we are going to learn your grammar. So please take out your Grammar Express. We are going to learn chapter 7. Using of this, that, these, and those. Okay? The way you will pronounce is THIS should be this. Okay? This. And THESE should be this. ถูกตัวนี้ THISE this อันนี้แล้วว่า this อันนี้THESE this using this that these and those ข้างเขาค่ะ demonstrative กันที่อากงมูตัวนี้ this 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 กันที่ชวนเฮลัยนายะทิลประคัดเล็ก singular noun ก็มูตัวนี้ singular กันที่ชวนประคัด plural กันที่ชวนประคัดอายตัมsingular noun ko mutu lam na ya mi chu this ani a lam hla a singular noun ko mutu chu that ani lam na ya plural noun ko mutu pakhat aya tam ko mutu chu THESE this ani lam hla mi chu those ani khang khatam takhian in la shilawani china na ta chuanin engpo kan ko mu theya mihring po ni theya mun po ni theya ran po ni theya mo thil engpo kan ko mu tu hei hi heng te hi ti na kha mo chung chu hei hi kan ti chuan THIS this ani chuan is in zui nge ni mo this is mo verb in azui don chuan mo ani lo chuan noun in azui don chuan singular in an azui turani THIS this PEN pen THIS this HOUSE house mo THIS this SWEET sweet khatyang khan pakhat lek soina ni THIS ka THET that po pakhat chau soina ni ma se so tina ahlami soina chutiang che chon THESE this ani chuan are ani na zui lo chuan plural noun in a zui chin PENS pens this pens those pens this books those books khatyang khan azui zel turani ti khashat nge turani singular THIS this and THET that plural THESE this and THOSE those okay chuan you should look at work A fill in the blanks using this that these or those kha en ula far ati chuan those mo that te mo man turani a near far chu hla ti na near ti chu nai ani chuan THIS this or THESE this man turani chuan singular noun na reng chuan THIS singular plural at chuan THESE or THOSE mo chuan en ula can I look at far ani chuan those engwangin nge those kan man far kan engwangin nge those kan man kan ti chuan bags ani bags pakhat ai na tam tero yes ma'am they are here I like THIS this bag how are THESE near these bags made mo this THESE this near anita are hand woven ma'am are those far those machine made mo are to wangin those ingay yes ma'am that red one over there has many pockets this is quite big near I like it this is strong bag this is a strong bag near mo near at on THIS or THESE I'll buy this ka katyang khan ahla a singular noun pakhat ayat singular noun ani chuan THESE ahla a plural noun ani chuan THOSE ahnaya singular noun ani chuan THIS ahnaya plural noun ani chuan THESE mo chiangem cross out the wrong option please help me get that vase from the topmost shelf sure here it is this vase needs some dusting yes it does let me do it thanks where did you buy these vases they are beautiful grandma bought this from the garage sale in Cairo Where did you get those vases from? The ones with Chinese dragons on them. Those were gifted to Grandma many years ago. She was in a town called Ziahi in Gansu, China. Those days, the town was full of monasteries. A Buddhist priest gave that grey vase to her. So each vase has a story. Yes, those blue and white vase was made during the Kangxi period. In those days, vases in this shape were used as tea caddies. Oh. Swan, eh, you will have to do A and B neatly in your textbook. Okay, we are going to test this one. Try to know it very clearly, the uses of this, that, those, and this. Okay.